My name is Mpilo Nkambule. I am an LL.M student here at Brigham Young University Law School, and I'm graduating in April 2020. The International Center for Law and Religion Studies is the reason why I'm studying at BYU. I believe the center is involved in great work as far as human rights are concerned, the respect and the recognition for dignity. And I am at heart a person who believes in that, in the values of the center. So that's how I came to be involved with the center. There's a lot that I learned in participating in the symposium with the center. I think it's just the practicality of what recognition of dignity is, wherein people come from all over the world, and we participate with them. So to me it was a great experience of seeing the dedication that people can give regardless of the diversity of cultures, the color of the skin, which is what I think human rights are about, and the recognition of dignity is about. It transcends the color of the skin, it transcends where you come from, it transcends culture. It's just that underlying force that is in all of us, which is inviolable as we find it in the documents that we have in the world called constitutions. So to me that was quite a moving experience. So I'm excited to get out there and apply what I've been learning at Brigham Young University Law School.